welcome back to another video. And today I am playing, what's it called?
It's basically like a castle escape game.
Oh yeah, and I'm here with my best friend, Val.
Yep, and it's been 225 days in here.
I know. We're just messing with you guys, though. We're just messing with you guys, though. It's not actually been 2,205 days in here.
And we were just on our islands, chilling and relaxing. Then all of a sudden,
Ah! I fell in lava.
And then
Wait for me, Val.
And then they took us and brought us here. I don't know what happened. I don't know why we're here at all. Jack, don't run across there. Walk to the side.
There we go.
Jack, grab this security key. Grab the security key. Come here. Grab the security key.
Wait. Oops. Okay. I have a secret key.
We might need that at the end. So.
Ah! I got pushed into the lava!
You died. We're escaping and there's nothing the king can do about it. Ronnie, go away.
Yeah, subscribe to Val's channel. Hopefully we can get him to 100 subscribers like I got to. I made it!
Okay.
Ah!
Oh no! Oh no!
I died. Okay.
Yeah, this part was really hard.
No! It won't let me jump!
Oh, I almost died myself.
Oh my god. No! It won't let me jump. It's like literally won't let me jump. Groovy.
It won't let you jump? Why?
No, I don't know why it's not letting me jump.
Oh, there you go. It's jumping now.
You have to press spacebar to jump.
And
I made it! I made it!
I died.
I'll wait for you.
Jack,
I'll wait for you. Okay. No.
You got this.
No. Yeah, freak the freak out. I made it. I made it.
Break the pocket. Yeah.
Okay,
I broke the pocket. Jack, be careful.
I'm trying. Ah!
Oh no! Jack, I will wait for you.
Okay.
I will wait for you.
Ah! Okay.
You can do it. Oh!
Ooh!
You can go first.
Ah! Wait for
Wait
it.
for me, okay?
Oh no.
Okay,
Let's
let's go.
go.
Well, we're escaping. Break
Oh god,
the
wait.
says,
Wait, this used to be the dungeon obby.
You talk to it.
Oh my god.
Jack. Jack, talk to him. Talk to him.
Okay.
Tell me what he says.
Jump on the guards' heads to knock them out. Well, we're not to that part yet.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait for it. It to go down. Run. Jump on the
Ah!
mountain.
Ooh! Ooh!
And
Free
wait
you!
for it. Jack, wait for me. Jump on the guy's head. Jump on his head.
Jump it!
That's
Jump!
how you knock him out.
Oh, I knocked him out. I got him.
Jack,
Let's
did
walk
you
up.
die? Oh, I thought you died.
I knocked him
Jack,
out.
I'll help you get through the part up here, okay? It's chess.
Shoot.
Basically like chess.
I hate chess.
Jack, go. Jack, come here. Over here.
Oh, yeah, it's the key part. It's the key part.
Over here. You don't know what to die. I got the key though.
Okay. Let's get through here.
No. Jack, do not touch the rope. Okay. I'm gonna help you through this, okay?
Okay. I just went right through it. I went right through it.
Ah. This way. Here. Jump.
We should play speed run next.
You go first. You have to jump.
Oh!
Jack, wait for me.
Whoa! I did it! Ah!
Jack, jump on
Oh no, I died! Jump on his head to knock him out.
I just saw you die.
Okay, I'm coming.
My best friend died.
I'm coming, Val. I'm coming.
Okay, let's go.
Let's jump on his head. Ah!
Did you die?
Yes, I did.
Oh no. I'll wait for you here.
This buddy girl.
Menace.
Ah!
You killed me. You don't know you died.
Yeah. I still have my
I
key.
believe in you, Jack. You can do it. I just died.
Oh, I made it. I made it. I'm waiting for you.
Hey, Jack, there's a chicken. Jack, there's a chicken here. There's a chicken.
What the heck?
Did you see that?
Oh, they just jumped right off. Okay, let's go.
The chicken just died. The chicken just died.
Oh, we knocked him out.
Run. Up here, Jack. Quickly. Up here.
I'm running. Okay, there's a checkpoint.
Pull the lever.
Okay,
Pull the
let's go.
Wait, let her pull the lever.
I got it. There we go.
You have to jump across.
Ah!
Oh no, you died. I heard you scream.
What?
Jack,
Oh, I thought I had to do that all over again. Hold on. I'm gonna pause my recording, okay? I'm gonna pause my recording.
recording. Go back.
Okay, I'm recording now.
Go back.
Okay, Ah! I died.
No, wait, we both died actually. Ooh. Yeah. And just walk across, and then jump,
Jump.
and then jump.
Jump. Yay! Okay, let's get up the ladder.
Climb.
Climb.
We will escape this and get back to our islands.
Wait. Oh no! Oh no, I'll wait for you.
I have to die from the guard now because now my screen's looking down. I do not allow that today.
Oh no! I'll pause my recording. Val just told me that he kicked him right in the face.
Jack,
What? Fat Paps
Careful.
YouTube.
most of these are slippery and they'll put
Ah!
Oh no, it's pushing me back.
Oh no!
I'm waiting for you on me.
Oh,
I'm waiting for you, Jack. I will not die. I will wait for my best friend. I will not die.
wait, do I have to do that?
My best friend.
Are you kidding me?
Nothing to do about it.
I have to do this stage all over again?
Yeah,
Oh.
there's no checkpoint up there.
That's so
I'm waiting for
dumb.
you, Jack, on the bridge.
That is so dumb.
This is so hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
There's one part that's even harder that I can't get past.
Let's see if we can both get past it together. I made it!
I didn't jump. I forgot to jump. Now I have to die from the guard.
There's no guards there.
You stupid guard. Wait, where's the guard?
There was none there when I respawned.
Here.
There was none there when I respawned.
Jack, I think that... Hey, Jack, can I tell you something?
What?
I think the guard quit when I kicked him in the face because he isn't here anymore.
Okay, I'm gonna pause my recording until you get up. Guys, Val finally got past this, so let's get down there. Oh no!
No, wait, did you just die?
Yes! I'm gonna pause until I get past. Val, tell them what you told me.
Well, I think when I kicked the guard in the face, that he quit because he wasn't there.
Are you?
He was
Did you
not
die?
there.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
There's a chicken over there. This chicken.
You go over to the next stage. I'll meet you there, okay?
Okay. You killed the chicken? Okay, so whoa. Okay, I'm definitely waiting for you on this stage.
I see the chicken.
Okay.
I just died.
Made it. Be careful. Okay,
Okay, Jack, you go.
made it.
Don't worry about me cutting the rope. I like to do that.
Okay, I made it. Was she waiting for us?
I think she was about to cut the rope on you. Jump.
Made it. Yep.
Where are you? Okay. Jack, look to the side. That's what I do, so I can see if there's like holes, so I don't like fall down and die. Okay. There you are. Let's go and oh, Jack, no, stay away. Stay away. Stay away. I usually just wait for people to go by, but then because people control on this part, and then just keep killing you. So I just wait for everybody to pass this stage.
Okay.
So I died.
Okay, let me.
You have to jump on the stones, not on the floor. Jump on the stones.
Okay, I made
Wait
it.
for me now. Wait
Okay.
for me.
I'm waiting.
Jump. 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 Jump.
Oh, okay, you made it.
I swear to God, I touched the floor and it did not go down.
Oh, or do we get eaten? Like we usually do in obbies.
No, we won't. We won't get eaten. We're just going down the stairs.
Okay.
Jack, come on my boat with me, because this is a boat part.
Ooh.
Come on here. Oh no, I just died. Jack, go on.
Okay.
Jack, go on.
Okay, I'm going on. Go now. Pull.
Now you
Pull
ready?
it.
No, don't pull it yet. No. Now look, we're going to get hit.
Ah!
That's why I said don't pull it yet.
We broke the boat.
And now we're both. I usually wait until the perfect moment to pull it, but okay. Jack, get on. Okay, we're going to wait until the perfect moment now.
Okay, come on. We can do it. Whee!
Voila, we didn't get hit.
Ah!
Fire up. Jump.
Oh.
Jump.
Oh! Our boat!
You almost died.
It exploded.
Hit the guy on the head. Yes.
Oh, I got him! I hit him in the face!
Okay, now get this guard. Pull the lever. Let's go.
Oh, wait, I haven't got him yet! Ah! Ah!
I'm coming back for you, best friend. I'm coming back for you. Hello, best friend.
Oh, he's gone. The guard is gone.
Let's go. No!
No! Ah!
Go pull the lever again. Okay, come on, Jack. Let's go.
Okay, finally, right?
Stand on the button. Do not move from the button.
Ah!
Oh my God. Oh my God, please.
Shit.
I saw you go to the floor on my screen.
I'm still here. Okay, we made it.
Wait, Jack, no. Wait for everybody to pass this stage. Because, Jack, do you see those tiles? That's what will happen if you touch them.
Ah! So we can't touch the tiles?
Jack, no. Do not touch them now. I'm going. I died. Oh! I caught myself.
Ah!
Myself.
I got squished.
Damn.
Wait, Jack, get on my cage. Did you fall down the hole?
No.
Or did you die?
I died.
Oh no.
God
Oh
damn
no.
it.
Oh no.
No, I died. Okay, guys, we made it to the next stage. Go.
Oh. Wait, Jack. I thought you just died because you ran right through the blade on my screen.
Okay, you gotta go. Go, 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 go! No!
Oh no. No. Jack, I will wait for you. I got the checkpoint too anyway, so. Oh, I died. Oh, my head just went flying.
Yeah, that same thing happened to me. No! How did I die?
Jack, just end the recording and record when you get back here.
Okay. I died too! I died too! He killed me too!